So let us start where we have left previously. So in my previous session, I have going through 10 questions related to this B100 exam. Now I am going to cover the another question. So now this is the question related to the large data set that contains more than 1 billion rows and it has a date, time, column, name, date. So you need to reduce the size of data model without losing data access to any data. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer is the D. Split the date column into two columns, one that contain only the time and another that contain only the date. For that you need to go through splitting the topic of data model in which you can include, like for example I'm going to include this how we are going to time and date hierarchy in Power BI. This is a reference from IntelliPet where there is a scenario where it is giving the serial time spent reading and you can go through the number of topics that is mentioned here. So I will give the reference of this topic also on the description of this video at the end of the video. I will give all the reference link in the description. So from there also you can go to these topics. So our next question is like again these kind of question very common whenever you are going to give any Microsoft exam. So here what three action you need to perform if you need to provide end user with access to summary states about the same detailed data. The user requires insight on the completeness of the data and the value distribution. So here you just need to create a blank query as a data source, then you need to specify the following query, and then you need to create a visual on your report page using fields from the new table. So these three are the correct answer, and when you are going into the file, there is a kind of option where you can click on new source. In new source, you can click on the blank query, and from there you can specify the query, sales detail, okay, and then we have to provide table as an input of this function, because if we are taking table.py function, then it is a kind of type of table and it always returns a table like display for each column in the original table, like maximum, minimum, average, standard deviation, count, annual value, so count of this, and then you are going to create a visual of the query table. So this is the steps how you are going to load the data into Power BI. Next question is you create the following steps by using Power Query Editor, where you are going to replace values and row has around 2 1 stating this, that is line 1 column. So what will be value when the step is right? The correct answer is B 2139 SLE straight, because in this we are going to replace the text UR with the text all in the table. Okay, so this is how it is working. Again, I always recommend to go to the docs.microsoft.com, from where you can get each and every topic in detail, where you can go to the pd.replace value syntax and how it is working in your table. Let's move to our next question, and this question is regarding the size of PBIX file, that is around 550 MB, and you need to add, it is just access file app workspace and is shared capacity of Power BI.com. Now, the report seizes an imported dataset that contains one fact table. The fact table contains 12 million rows, and a dataset is scheduled to refresh twice in a day between 8 and 17. It is going to refresh the data. The report is a single page and you need to implement a solution to improve. Yes, this is a part of improvement of the performance. Very important question. And by using C, implement role visibility. So in this, no data is important.